Hello guys, this is Glenn from Sydney CBD Repair Center, and today we have an Apple iPhone 12 that is in a very dire condition. So we're gonna fix it by replacing the display. Let's go. So every iPhone that I've seen, every modern iPhone that we've repaired here in the shop starts off by removing that bottom two screws. Didn't even change a bit. So we're gonna pry it open on the side. We're not gonna reuse this display, but we're still gonna be very careful because shards of glass can just fly off and fling off and damage your eye if you're not careful. I'm gonna pry it like this and put it on an angle, and ever since, this is gonna be a recurring theme because you have cables attached to that board. It's very tight tolerances here, so we need to be very careful not to force it on more than 90 degrees of angle. There you can remove it safely. Before we can discard this old broken screen, we're gonna remove some parts that we're gonna reuse. I think this is for the Face ID to scan your face. Just gonna put that here and transplant it to the new display. I think this is gonna cause an error if you're not gonna reuse that one, because Apple is serializing parts on their modern iPhones, especially from iPhone 11 or 10, or from 10 up to the present. So if you change a part, errors will bother you and annoy you as you use the phone. It boots up and the display looks gorgeous. That, I think we didn't have any issue with the new display. There's no errors so far. So I think it's safe to continue with the repair. I think that's it. We're just gonna screw it in with the clips and retaining plates and close up the device. Well, David has made it look easy. I'm worried that some parts will cause some issues, but it didn't. So if you want an iPhone 12 reliable technician that can do it, I think you've found the right guy. David can do it. He's also doing Samsung devices, so if your husband's Samsung device is also broken, you can both go and visit us here in Sydney. And then afterwards, you can visit Vivid Sydney for this year, and it's back. You can even get a complimentary free tempered glass if you're lucky, if we have one in stock. So there you go. So thanks for joining, guys. Hope you liked it. Leave a comment down below and don't forget to like and subscribe. We are releasing new videos every day in different languages, I may add. We'll see you again next time. Cheers.
If you want your smartphone fixed for a very reasonable price, you may contact Sydney CBD Repair Center. We also provide mail-in repair services for customers outside of Australia or Sydney. Just message us so we can arrange the shipping of your device.